Unveiling the Secrets of the Fertilizer Spreader, a guide to greener pastures. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends the world of agriculture with the English language. We're going to explore the meaning, use, and significance of fertilizer spreaders in farming and gardening. Whether you're an English language learner with a curiosity about farming tools or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will shed light on this essential agricultural equipment. So, let's get our hands metaphorically dirty and uncover the secrets of the fertilizer spreader. A fertilizer spreader is a piece of agricultural or gardening equipment designed to disperse fertilizer evenly across soil. The main goal of using a fertilizer spreader is to supply plants with the nutrients they need to grow healthy and strong, by spreading fertilizer over the ground in a uniform manner. This tool can vary in size from small, handheld models suitable for home gardens to large, industrial versions used on vast farms. Understanding how a fertilizer spreader works is key to grasping its importance in agriculture and gardening. There are primarily two types of fertilizer spreaders, each serving a unique purpose. 1. Broadcast spreaders. These spreaders distribute fertilizer over a wide area quickly. They are ideal for covering large fields and are known for their efficiency. Broadcast spreaders can be either pushed manually or towed behind a tractor. 2. Drop spreaders. These are more precise than broadcast spreaders, releasing fertilizer directly beneath the spreader. Drop spreaders are perfect for smaller areas where accuracy is crucial, such as between rows of plants in a garden. Understanding the differences between these types will help you choose the right spreader for your needs, whether you're managing a small garden or a large agricultural operation. Using a fertilizer spreader has several key benefits. Even distribution of fertilizer. This ensures that all plants receive an equal amount of nutrients, leading to uniform growth throughout the garden or farm. Efficiency and time saving, especially important for large areas. Using a spreader is much faster than fertilizing by hand. Reduction in fertilizer waste. Precise application means less fertilizer is wasted, which is both economically beneficial and better for the environment. We hope this exploration into the world of fertilizer spreaders has been enlightening and has added a useful term to your English vocabulary. Fertilizer spreaders play a crucial role in modern agriculture and gardening, ensuring that plants receive the right nutrients needed to thrive. Whether you're a language learner, a gardening enthusiast, or someone interested in agricultural practices, understanding the function and importance of this tool is invaluable. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Happy learning, and may your gardens and fields flourish!